Okay guys, I'm going back to Ask Scruff. Now this is for Tom. Salute to you, Mike. It's quite a simple question, but you kind of got to use kind of common sense with it as well. Let me kind of explain. As you can see, I've had to scroll back. I've been at it a bit today, and this one needed a video. Currently working full-time 8 till 4:30. So when you get a chance to go through the modules on an evenings and a weekend, and trading between 5:30 9 o'clock. Now I'm assuming that's at night. Just on Forex pairs for now. Is there any pair you would recommend for trading this time, or any to stay away from? Okay. Well, when it comes to the product of choice, you want to be picking a product that is moving. Now, at 5:30 onwards, your European markets are starting to slow down. So pound USD, euro dollar, euro pounds, etc. They're all pretty flat, okay, or they're slowing down. So you really want to be looking at something that has a central bank that's open. So that's going to be the US market. Now, you also want a faster market. Now, there's only really two to look at. The main one is USD JPY. That's pretty buoyant, and it's pretty buoyant till the close. And the other one is USD CAD. Now, the USD CAD is a slower directional market, so you've got to be a bit careful with it, because if you're wrong, it's one of those markets that grinds and just keeps on moving, and it doesn't really give you an opportunity to get out. But the USD JPY is a far better product. It's pretty fast. It has good pullbacks on it, so if you're wrong, you can get an opportunity to get out. And it's a nice, gentle market as well, in the sense that it kind of obeys the rules of levels and fibs, because it's one of the majors. Everybody looks at it. Now, as a wild card, I know you're just looking at Forex pairs. There are other things you can look at that run pretty well in and around that time. So if you're looking at commodities, you've got gold, although gold is very dangerous at the moment because of the fear and greed in the market. It's very unpredictable. And oil, they're the kind of two main commodities I look at. Both of those products still move in and around that time. And then from an indices point of view, the US 100 or the NASDAQ is also a good product to check, because again, it moves pretty quick up to about 9 o'clock at night. So I hope that helps. Catch you soon.